Hey lovelies, today I'll be showing you how to make this colorful and vibrant popcorn. It's super easy to make, but you can fail it if you don't watch to the end. So you have to watch to the end for this one. So in a pot-like fry pan, you want to add in your vegetable oil and let that heat up a bit. Pour in your popping corn. I would advise to use store-bought popping corn because it has higher tendency to pop, just like you see in this video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to comment down below. Yeah. And if you're a returning subscriber, just know that you have my heart and I love you so much. Happy New Year, by the way. In another frying pan, you want to add in half cup of water and then half cup of sugar, or if you want more sweetness, you add in 1 cup of water and then 1 cup of sugar. You want to gently stir this until it comes to a rolling boil like you see in this video. I just use my, African brain calculation to get the right temperature. You pour this into 3 separate bowls. Make sure that the bowls is heat resistant. Don't use plastic or hell. And if your peradventure your sugar water solution crystallizes before you can pour them on your popcorn, pop them into an air fryer and just let it melt back. Easy peasy. You want to add in your favorite colors. I use blue, burgundy, and red to achieve my own beautiful color, and then you want to combine this together. So this big batch of popcorn I made, I shared it into 4 equal halves, and then I drizzled each color on the popcorn and then combined it together to achieve a beautiful, marble-like popcorn. Don't worry, you see it in this video, just watch it through. And there's something important I'm going to share at the end of this video, so you have to stay glued and watch to the end. One thing about this popcorn is that sometimes it might not be as crunchy as you would like it to be, even after adding the colored sugar to it. How to achieve that crispy popcorn back? If you have an air fryer, pour in your popcorn in that air fryer and just pop it into your air fryer for like 30 seconds, and trust me, the crispiness of that popcorn is back. Is 100. If you are thinking of purchasing an air fryer, I have an affiliate link whereby you can get 5% discount off when you order your air fryer from Oraimo online store. Like a whooping 5% discount off using my coupon code. I'm going to put it on the screen right now. And peradventure you do not have the option of an air fryer and you have an oven, you can pop it into your oven and just let it heat up a bit, and the crispiness is If you learned 1 or 2 from this video, please hit that subscribe button, support my channel, and comment down below.